Skill Bite here at the National Corvette Museum Motorsports Park, where they have some autocross going, some fun runs, and they got some track driving. I'm here for the track night in America, but they have the HP high performance driving, I forget what it stands for, what the initials are, but they're running first, and then the track night in America will run and of course you get Miatas. Here's the track. You can actually watch, you can spectate. If you ever want to come spectate a Track Night in America event, you can. Down there is turn 1. 35.6 miles per gallon. That's mostly the drive up here, and I expect to get about half that for the track day. So obviously I got over 3/4 of a tank. All right, we're lining up for the pace laps. So in novice they take you around, follow the leader for about 15 minutes. Pace laps. Yeah. Corvette, Miata, Hellcat. Well, first one may not be the Hellcat, actually. The second one is a Hellcat, I believe. A nice Merc and an Audi. And me and my Miata, there's a Miata behind me. I don't think we were supposed to do that, but and we won! 15.7 miles per gallon. Well, in the day, oh, it feels good out here. Slight breeze. It's like 5:30. They have a hard stop at 5:30, so it's like 5:45 now, I suppose. Check the tires. Got those ready for the drive back, and got some cleanup to do. Got some, you know, some brake dust, but that's it. The new brakes did great. Stopped great, and no fade like my brakes when I was at the Nashville Super Speedway Roval. My brakes just faded on the stock Brembo pads. They just couldn't take it. And these new G-Locs got R8s on the front and R6s on the rear. And by the way, I've been driving them on the street with no issues. Now granted, it's not been necessarily cold, so you know, I don't know how they'll do in the cold, but they have done well even on the street, so really happy with them. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and you should check out a track night in America yourself, because it's a lot of fun. Take care.